Alright, family. I made it back over here. Went and grabbed me a fuel pump kit. Show y'all what that look like right here. The fuel pump kit for the 1984 Corvette.
And we pull these 10 millimeters. There's going to be a gasket there. It usually stays intact pretty well, and then it'll lift the whole
So I'm taking the fuel.
You spray those screws?
About here. We had to pop this hole off, that hole's off, and then we got 4 screws there, and then this whole thing just pops right up out of there.
They maybe let's spray it again with a reverse that shop vac to get some of this dust out of here, so we don't get that much dirt.
I'm sorry, I ain't hear what you said. Do what?
Reverse the shop vac to the blow instead of suck. You got to switch to the now we just don't blow.
Alright, guys. Finally got this thing out, man. Pop it up out of there.
Well, that would explain a whole lot right there.
Watch this right here. See that hole?
Oh, you ain't getting nothing no more.
You don't get enough pressure.
That's why you ain't getting shit.
It ain't that, then it's this.
Well, remember I told you this holes, the little holes right there, and 2 clamps. So it's gonna be popped because this is notorious for these years.
So if you put that back, another hose on there, it'll run.
Cause you might not be getting enough pressure.
Yeah, it's leaking.
Because mine did that, and mine would run though, but I couldn't get it couldn't accelerate. You know,
I probably got a piece of hose.
That's like probably exactly what
that's connected to this.
That's how you
These
connect
connectors
them
pop
together.
off.
This is your fuel pump, and this is just your return line. And once you take this off, this is your fuel pump, which is functioning. You get a new screen here.
Yeah.
This is new sock.
You should pull that up on YouTube about adjust that.
About adjusting it?
No, about just that part. Just asking about it.
I ain't need to. He done already done it.
Well, it's just for you to have it in your cycling brain.
Look, hey, you want to talk about this? Gonna be the YouTube video that everybody looking up to hear about it right there.
Yeah, so you want to make sure that
this one is the ground.
Yeah, and it goes to this side of the pump.
Ground is the silver side.
Right, don't keep over revving it because you know it ain't running now.
Yeah. That's a new battery. Should I give it some gas?
No, we doing it.
Keep pressing it right there.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna see if it's gonna.
No, don't flood it once it get going. Start again.
Miss that sound.
Still ain't got nothing.
Put that down there. Put that.
More than likely it's just oil.
Oh, it's probably oil.
We still ain't pushing no
It's not getting no
Still ain't getting no fuel
at all. It's because she running.
All right, gang, long day of work, man. Y'all see we finally got it running. It wouldn't stay in the idle, so we got a couple of other things we got to troubleshoot tomorrow. As y'all see, man, we had the whole team out here helping out, trying to get this thing running, man. This is my first car ever. Love this car, man. I got a story to tell about it, but I'll talk about it a little bit later with my pops, man. Let me get that out of there. I'll talk about it a little bit later with my pops, man. But we gonna get that joint running again, man. Yeah, man, basically progress, man. Everything is progress. Everything is one step at a time, man. But hope y'all digging this content, man. I know y'all tired of me hitting the car shows, man, which I'm still gonna be hitting the car shows, bringing y'all that content. But I'm also gonna be bringing y'all a couple of other vehicles to the channel. We're gonna start focusing a lot more on the Vet. The Jeep is coming back, I promise y'all, man. Updates on that coming soon, man. All my new subscribers, I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share the video, hit that notification bell. Gang out. Gang, 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 gang.